Pros and cons of matte black tapware for your house. Dear friends, matte black tapware has become increasingly popular in recent years, thanks to its sleek and modern appearance. The finish is coated with a powder finish that gives it a flat, non-reflective surface. The manufacturing process for matte black tapware involves applying a powder coating onto a base material such as brass or stainless steel. The powder coating is applied using an electrostatic spray gun, which charges the powder particles and attracts them to the base material. The coated base material is then baked at a high temperature to cure the powder coating and create a durable finish. Pros of matte black tapware. Sleek and modern appearance. Hides water spots and fingerprints. Resistant to corrosion and rust. Durable and long-lasting. Cons of matte black tapware. It can be difficult to clean and maintain. It may scratch or chip over time. Limited compatibility with certain styles and designs. How to care. Clean regularly with mild detergent and warm water. Avoid using abrasive or harsh chemicals that can scratch the surface. Do not use abrasive sponges or steel wool to clean the tapware. Rinse thoroughly after cleaning to prevent water spots. Dry the tapware with a soft cloth to prevent water spots and stains. Avoid using acidic cleaners, as they can damage the finish. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.